Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. Today I'm playing in my craft journal and I'm working on a background that was a leftover background from other paints from a previous page. So they're gloss sprays that have been mixed with white paint, and they are the colours Tangelo, Rouge and Fur. So they're the new gloss sprays that came out recently from Dina Wakley, and they make really lovely pastel colours when they're mixed with white acrylic paint. And then you can see that all I've done is just sort of done like little dashes of the colour, and I've overlapped them while I was using up what was left over. And then I've also done some splashes using the gloss spray in Rouge onto the background as well. Then I'm using this stencil, which is from a Stencil Girl from the club that they run, where it's a monthly subscription. And these are the ones from April 2021 by Evans. There's some lovely floral ones on there. And you can see that I'm just picking out just single flowers from there, and using a blending tool and some black acrylic paint, I'm just adding those onto the background. So this is going to be a really simple, quick page. But creating quite a lot of impact with the black against the pastel background. And next I'm going to use some washi tape just to mask off the areas around the leaf that I'm then going to use to add onto the stems in different places, just to finish off the look of the flowers. And then I'm using a Signo Uniball in white, and I'm going to add some mark making onto the page, just some dashes and dots, and also do some outlining and patterns onto some of the flowers. So just adding that little bit of white adds another contrast onto the page. So you've got the lovely pastel background, the pop of the black flowers, and then the white as well just helps it all to stand out really nicely. And then I'm just using a Posca pen and adding some more mark making onto the page using my traditional dots that I often put on pages, which I think does create like a softening effect on the edge of the page too. And then I'm just adding in some black dots as well, just to keep the theme of the black and white images on the page. And then just using some matte medium and a quote that's from one of Dina Wakley's collage tissue paper background sheets, and I'm just adding that on to the page, onto the craft background. And there we go, a really quick, simple page. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.